Today's song is Stitches by Shawn Mendes.
As usual, we're going to start with a song structure to break down the different parts we need to learn in this song.
In this song, we've got a verse, pre-chorus, chorus, then another verse, pre-chorus, chorus, then a bridge, then a chorus, and then an outro. This is just about the most basic song structure you can get, and you'll find it in many, many modern songs. It's the most popular song structure you'll find in songs today. We can bring this into 4 different guitar parts: the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and bridge. And we're using the same 4 chords for the entire song, just in different orders.
Learn the song even quicker by checking out the link in the description below, where you can follow along with this tutorial, but also get lyrics and chords on top of them and any other cool things covered in this video.
So tune up your guitar, put your capo on your first fret, and we're ready to go.
If you like this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up or a comment in the comment section below. Your feedback is what gives me the motivation to keep making more videos. As well, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button to get access to all my latest content straight on your YouTube homepage.
In this song, we've got A minor, G, C, and F. So let's start off with the verse. So this isn't too complicated. We're playing on the 1 and the and on beat 1. And then for beats 2 to 4, we're just playing on the and. And we're playing each chord for 1 bar. So counting along, this is going to look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's all there is to it. So moving on to the pre-chorus. Our chord progression this time is F, G, A minor, then G. So in this one, we're playing each chord for 1 bar, same as the verse. And we're going to play on the 1 and the 2. Then in the 3rd and 4th beats, we're going to play on the beat and the and. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and switch chords. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. That's all there is to it. Moving on to the chorus. We're now back to our same chord progression as in the verse with A minor, G, C, F. So what are we doing here? We're playing on the 1, 2, and the and of 3, then 4, and then we switch chords. So that's going to look like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now, finally, the bridge. So our chord progression for the bridge is the same as the verse and the chorus. A minor, G, C, F. But what I'm doing here is palm muting on the 1 and the and of each beat. Palm muting, if you don't know, is taking your palm, the side of it right there, and placing it right against the bridge of your guitar. So you're going to put it right on there. So your goal is to get it so that it's not entirely muted, but it's also not totally open. You want a partially muted effect, which gives kind of an interesting sound, and this is a pretty common technique if you've never seen it before. And all we're going to do is play on the beat and the and. So what that's going to look like is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you've never done palm muting before, it's going to take you a little bit to get the hang of. But once you do get the hang of it, it should be pretty easy to do, and it adds a nice effect to a lot of songs. And if you can play those 4 parts, you can play the entire song.
Did you like this video? Well, then you better hit the subscribe button right now so you get access to all my latest content right when I upload it on your YouTube homepage. Once you've done that, click on this video or that video and launch your next guitar adventure.